Hi, I'm Layne Johnson, and I love painting clouds. They're one of the most recognizable parts of my work, but it wasn't always that way. Clouds used to be tough for me, and I struggled, just like a lot of painters do. Let me back up a little bit. Back in 2018, I created a short cloud painting course to help others get started. Since then, I've painted a lot more clouds, and I've learned a whole lot more too. That's why I created this all-new course, Painting Dramatic Clouds 2.0. It's packed with new insights, techniques, and everything I've learned about painting authentic, believable clouds. From the foundational concepts that'll help you really understand clouds, to the classical layering techniques I use to bring compelling depth, luminous light, and dramatic atmosphere into the sky. You'll also learn how to shape light and shadow to create clouds with real depth and atmosphere. If your clouds feel flat, or if you're just not sure where to start, this course is for you. I'll guide you through the whole process, step by step, just you and me painting virtually together in the studio. By the end, you'll have your own finished cloudscape and the confidence to paint many more. Ready to take your clouds to the next level? I'd love to help you get there. Just click the link in the description to get started.